Constituents and agency providers can use Service Exchange for public sector digital services to generate and fulfill service requests from service catalogs. Let's follow Joe, a constituent in Solana County, as he uses Service Exchange to create a service request to fix a pothole on behalf of his neighborhood. Joe accessed the local government portal to create their request. While in the portal, users can review remote catalog items and send requests to their agency provider for fulfillment. They can also browse services or view articles with the latest information on policies and programs, as well as view recent and popular items. Joe selects Services to view all categories of services available, and then Business Services for a more specific list. He selects Report a Pothole, fills in the remote catalog item with information about the request, and submits it. The request is created, and the details are displayed on the ticket form. Next, Fred, an agency provider for Solana County, can view the new service request from the provider instance in the FSM Configurable Workspace. From this workspace, users can also author and publish remote catalogs from their instances for constituents to create service requests. Fred selects the new request to open the service request playbook. The playbook displays the intake form, as well as the next steps required to complete and close the request. He selects the activity stream icon to add a comment to the request for the constituent, in this case, Joe. Joe views the comment on the ticket form and attaches a photo to the request. The photo is now visible on the service request playbook in the provider instance, and Fred submits the request to move into the review stage in the playbook. As the case moves through each stage, Joe can keep track of its progress in real time in one central place. Use Service Exchange for public sector digital services to enhance the customer experience by connecting a single citizen-facing portal with the various government departments that fulfill those services, coordinating tasks and workflows to enable end-to-end service delivery.